and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be making things clear about Wild Growth hair oil, the difference, which one you should be using, because there seems to be a lot of confusion. So before we get into this video, just do me a little favor and hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Join the Unbothered main crew and hit the bell button so that you won't miss out on any videos that I do upload. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. So Wild Growth hair oil, so which one to use and which one is better for you? I'm here to help you decide which one you're supposed to be using for maximum hair growth that you can use to utilize and help you to strengthen and aid in hair growth. Which one? There's a lot of confusion about which one you're supposed to be using and how you're supposed to apply it. I have done a video on my 60 days of using Wild Growth hair oil. I will link it here in the iCards, and I've also done a video on exactly how to use the Wild Growth hair oil, like how do you use it. So that one is another video that's gonna come up here, and I'm gonna put them in the description box below, and at the end screen when you watch this video you will find those two videos at the very end of this video. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so there's this one which we've all come to know and love. So this is the Wild Growth hair oil, and this one is mainly focused on hair growth, and it's supposed to be applied to the scalp. Really, as the instructions say, you're supposed to use this oil onto your scalp when you braid your hair or whatever. Even if your hair is just like open like this, you can just add it to your scalp, give yourself a good massage. So if you want to follow the instructions or here they do say you have to increase the dosage as you go on, like within a month you have to like increase it. So make sure you read the instructions, or if you want to follow the way I do it to help me maximize my length, you can watch that video that I talked about, which is going to be at the end of this video. So obviously this one is meant for hair growth, and its focus is on the scalp. So when you want to maximize your hair growth, you need to be focusing that oil on the scalp, massaging your hair. Your scalp will soak it up, it will take it all in, so a little goes a long way. Don't put too much to a point where you start dripping and things like that. No, don't do that. Now, so that one we've established that it's meant for the scalp. Really, I haven't really been using it like on the rest of my hair because it has this like thick film to it. Like when I put it on my hair, I usually put it on a plastic bag on, and the next day I wake up with these like white stuff on my cornrows. But it's not a big issue. It's just like the oil that's just like staying in one place or something like that. So if I take off my thingy, it'll just go away within like when my hair starts to dry up. So I think it's just like the moisture and then with the oil, so it makes like all this stuff. But anyway, that's nothing to worry about. And for the yellow one, which I don't really have at the moment, that one obviously is meant for moisturizing. So that one, they go together. It's a duo. You can either buy them together or you can just buy this one, and they go together. So obviously that one is for the scalp and the other one is for the hair. So when you need to moisturize your hair after you've done your scalp, you can follow up with the other one to moisturize your hair. It's called a light oil because it's meant for your hair, for your actual hair, so that your hair doesn't get weighed down, doesn't feel too greasy and too, especially for people who've got looser curl patterns. For people like 4C girls, we don't really mind going in, getting greasy and getting thick oils on our hair. But the light oil is good for if your hair actually likes the light oil. And you can also use the light oil on your scalp as well, because it also promotes hair growth as well. It strengthens your hair, helps your hair to shine and flourish, just living your best life with your good hair. But yeah, so I hope that clarifies the confusion that the Wild Growth hair oil, the yellow and the white or green one, is it white? It's white, in the white bottle and the yellow bottle. White bottle for the scalp, yellow bottle for the actual hair. So you apply it to your hair, focusing on your ends, because you know the ends are the oldest parts of your hair and we have to respect our elders, so we need to focus on them. So for people who have maybe straighter hair, they may have to apply that oil and then rinse it out because it's probably just gonna get too greasy. But for me and you, 4C hair girl, we can our hair can handle that. We can just braid it up and it will soak it up, and it will be like there was never any oil, no evidence, because our hair just it just sucks it all up. But yeah, so hopefully you learned something from that video, and hopefully you enjoyed this little video of mine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you made it all the way to the end, I think it's just fair that you do subscribe. Alright, and if you want to see some more videos like this, ring the bell so that you won't miss out on any videos that I do upload. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and remember guys, stay beautiful, always unbothered. Period. Okay. Alright. And until next time guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.